should come.
Unqobo kaMengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa engqungqutheleni yamashumi amahlanu nanhlanu okukhetha ubuholi be-ANC kuchaza ukuthi usengene ehlandleni lesibili. Emva kokukhethwa kwamalungu ayisikhombisa ezikhundla eziphezulu, amehlo ayethe nje ukuthi kungabe obani abazoqokwa ezigungwini esiphezulu seqembu.
We now wish to take this opportunity to present the newly elected 80 additional members of the ANC National Executive Committee, comprising of 41 women and 39 male comrades.
Amalungu amaningi aphezulu abonakala eseka umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa akhishiwe njengamalungu esigungu esiphezulu seqembu. Kepha unobhala jikelele we-ANC oqokiwe ufikile embalula uzwakalise ukweneliseka.
I am very happy with this NEC. It is youthful. It is going to be deployed. Me and the TSG, we don't play. You don't perform, we mark the register.
Umunye wabaholi abasale ngaphandle uJeff Radebe.
Because they're not in the ANC doesn't mean, in the NEC doesn't mean they're any less influential. I mean, intellectuals like Joel Nettichenza has been very instrumental in policy drafting, as is Jeff Radebe, who I think will remain in the inner circle. And I think you must also remember that the ANC is going for what they term the renewal of the organization. And I don't think that the people who've not returned take it that personally.
Unaledi Phando naye uphumile. Usasebenze kuhulumeni cishe iminyaka ecela emashumini amabili. Nayo neminyaka ngamashumi ayisithupha nesishiyagalolunye obudala kumanje ongungqongqoshe zobudlala namazwe angaphandle nekuyisikhundla angasangabuyeli kuso njengoba ikhula ingcindezi ukuthi umengameli kufanele ahle ngahlenge ecabinet.
I suspect that some of the people who've been seen to be rebel rousers, people who are dissidents or seen to be dissidents, like Yolinde Wesisulu's, I don't think she's going to come back into cabinet should the president decide to refresh his cabinet.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kube nezinguquko eminyangweni wabhizinisi ombuso. Ungqongqoshe lomnyango uPravin Gordhan akazange angene ohlwini emva kokunqaba ukuqokwa kanye noDerek Khanekom. uGordhan usathola ukukhulu kwexekwa ngeEskom ngokuqhubeka nokuba nezinkinga zikagesi.
I would not expect him to change the cabinet or reshuffle the cabinet quickly. January is going to be a very full month with Lechotlas and all these kind of things, the January 8th speech and all those kind of things. I would expect a cabinet reshuffle more towards the SONA.
Okunye okuthuse kakhulu ukuthi igama likaSomlomo weParlamente uNosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula nalo alikho.
I do see as a problem is the speaker, the whips, the president, the deputy president need to be on the NEC, and I see a problem for our current speaker not being on the NEC.
Kusenjalo iphini likaMengameli uDavid Mabuza kanye noyengungqongqoshe wezemali uTito Mboweni nabo ababona nangokhalo kululuhlu lwamagama. uThoni Yengeni oweseke uZuma naye igama lakhe alikho.